Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to change text color on any section in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you are trying to customize your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then you can continue this video. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I am going to my admin panel. Then click on the online store, then click on the customize. Now I'm going to add a new section, for example add section, and I wanted to add rich text. Here is the rich text. Let's go up, looks here, and click on this section, and you can see that there is an option named custom CSS. Okay, now I'm going to simply add some code here. So here is the code that I'm going to add right now. H2 color and deep color. Okay, so here is the question, how you can change this color. Okay, to change this color, just go to UI color, then search on Google. Here's the flat UI color. Click on this link, and from here you can copy any color. For example, I wanted to change my text color. Just click here, it's copy, and go back and simply change the H2 color, looks here, and go back again. I want to change the font color, this one. This is just an example. You can use any color as your wish, looks here. Then copy this color, change the H2 color. Wow, looks good. Then simply click on the save. So I hope you understand the easy process, and I will share this website link in the video description, so don't worry about the color. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hey there, I am Faisal Ahmed. If you're looking any Shopify expert or digital marketer or website designer to make your website using WordPress, Shopify, Duda, Wix or any other page builder, then you can contact with me. Also, I am working as a SEO expert, so you can consider me your next project. I am available to start your project. So if you need fast delivery with high quality support or service, then you can consider. Have a nice day. Bye bye.